Hello everyone, my name is Janvi Verma and I'm making today Gujarat most popular dish Khaman Dokla. This is the very famous snacks in Gujarat. And here's the ingredients. For khaman we need gram flour, sugar, salt, citric acid, baking soda, oil, and for tempering we need mustard seeds, sugar, asafoetida, split chilies and curry leaves, and for garnishing grated coconuts and coriander. Let's start preparation for the khaman. We first need water. Now we need salt, sugar, citric acid, and oil. Let's whisk it properly until sugar dissolved. Whisk properly until all the sugar dissolved. Here all the ingredients has been mixed properly. Now we need to add gram flour. We strain it first. This is 2 cups of gram flour. Here we strain gram flour. Now mix it well. Mix properly. Mix it properly. Here the batter is pouring consistency. We need this type of consistency for khaman. Now we keep aside for 5 minutes. Now we start for steaming khaman. First we need to preheat the steamer. We put casserole for steamer. Now add 1 cup of water. Now cover the casserole for 2 minutes. If you don't have this casserole in your home, you can use idli steamer or cooker also. Here our batter is ready, and after 5 minutes, now we need to add baking soda. This is 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Add a little bit of water. Now mix it together well. Mix it properly. Now you can see our batter is become fluffy. We take a mold and add oil. Now grease it. I grease the mold with oil properly. Now add batter in it. You can see our batter is very fluffy and bubbling. We have added our batter in mold. Now tap it for 3 to 4 times. For tapped, you can see the tapped air bubbles are coming. You can see our water is little boiled. Now put the stand in it and put our batter mixture in it. Cover it for 15 minutes. Now we start for the tempering. Add oil. Keep the oil for 1 minute until it's hot. Now add mustard seeds. Wait for spluttering the mustard seeds. You can see our mustard seeds spluttering. Now add asafoetida. Add curry leaves and grated chilies. Now add sugar. And also water. Mix it properly. Melt the sugar in it. Add a little water more. Our tadka are ready. Our tadka is ready. Our sugar is also melting in tadka. Now off the flame. Now here the almost 50 minutes are done. Open it and check the khaman with the stick. Put inside the stick and khaman. You can see our stick are very clear. That means our khaman are ready. Let's demold the khaman.
Or using knife,
by using knife or a spoon or spatula. Here our khaman is properly ready. See. Now cut the khaman in square. If you want, you can cut in a diamond shape also. I cut it into squares. Now add the tempering. Now the tempering properly. You can see how spongy it is. It absorbs all the tempering water. You can garnish with coriander, chopped coriander, and also fresh grated coconut. You can also add sesame seed in it, white sesame seeds. Here our khaman dokla are ready. Let's start with plating. Here. We have done with the plating. You can see the khaman texture is very fluffy and spongy. You can see that how this beautiful khaman is. Here you can serve with a green chutney, and especially in our Gujarat, we eat with kadhi. Kadhi made with besan, but you can enjoy with green chutney also. Let's taste the khaman dip in the chutney. It's very fluffy, it's very spongy. It's it's savory, sweet. All the ingredients mixed together well. You can try it at home. It's very light snacks. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to pursue your career in culinary arts, you can join IIScm Pune.